What's going on, guys? Code Expert here, and we are back with yet another amazing tutorial series, and this time we are going to learn about DeepSeek AI models. That's right, guys. These are the same AI models which are threatening the OpenAI's monopoly, and they have set the internet on blaze. So you can see that there are a lot of articles which are getting published about the DeepSeek AI and its developments, and the latest models are really shocking the world right now, right? These models are shocking the world so much so that at the time of creating this tutorial series, the Nvidia stocks have plummeted around 16.86% in a single day. So let's learn about what exactly these models are and how they are performing. So I'm on GitHub repository of DeepSeek, and you can see that these are the benchmarks that they have released right now, and you can see the DeepSeek v3 model is performing way better than all other models. Mind that current best models, which are Cloud 3.5 Sonnet and the OpenAI, are very less performing models, and you can see that in all of the areas, in all of the benchmarks, the DeepSeek v3 is the winner. So people are really excited about this, guys, and I am also excited about this. And in this tutorial series, we are going to go ahead and develop some simple Langchain application on top of DeepSeek v3 models. Alright, guys, so I'm going to put all of these links into the description. But before moving forward, I'm also going to show you, even though these models are performing way better than OpenAI, the pricings are way lower than the OpenAI's pricing. So let's compare the pricing of the tokens. So this is the DeepSeek chat model that we have already seen, which is v3 model, and its pricing for 1 million tokens of input price is $0.14 and output is only $0.28, as compared to GPT-4o, $2.5 per million tokens and $10 per million output tokens. So DeepSeek has slashed down the price massively, and they are able to do that because they have developed this model in only $5 million, guys. OpenAI has invested more than almost 70 to 80 billion dollars. I'm sorry, 70 to 80 million dollars for creating model like ChatGPT 4o, but the DeepSeek has done it in only a fraction of amount of money. So that is going to be crazy, guys. Anyways, let's move forward, and I'm going to give you two references. Before moving forward, I just have one request for you guys. Please go to my channel at youtube.com/@codeexpert, and please subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you join our Discord channels, because that is how we will be in touch, and your support will definitely motivate me to create such more awesome tutorial series for you guys. So thanks for it, and let's move forward with our tutorial series. So the first reference that I'm going to show you is API docs of DeepSeek, which is api-docs.deepseek.com, and here you can have all of your API documentation and how to use these APIs to develop your own applications. Alright, and as it says that all of the DeepSeek APIs are compatible with APIs, so we can use directly the OpenAI classes from the Langchain to develop our DeepSeek applications. Alright, another reference that I would like to show you is Langchain, on top of which we are building this application. And if you want to learn more about the Langchain, you can go to the docs, and here in Python you can go to the Langchain, and this documentation is really comprehensive, and I would recommend you to go through all of these things. If you want to have some API reference, you can go to this API reference, and you will also have all of the classes and development related things. Alright, I'm not going to go into the details of Langchain and how it is working. I will create a dedicated tutorial series for Langchain in the future if you would really like to see one. So make sure to comment below this video so that I would know whether you would like a tutorial series on Langchain or not. Alright, So let's move forward now, and before start developing, we will have to create our own API platform account and our own API key. All right, so let's go to the API platform over here on deepseek.com, and here you can create your own account. I already have my account, so I will just log in with the Google and come back. So here you can see that we are on our platform dashboard right now, and when you create a fresh account, you will not have any balance in it, so you will have to add some balance, and you can go to the billings, to the top up, and you can pay using the PayPal, and here you will be able to add the credits using your credit or debit card. All right, after making the payment, you can go to the API keys and create a new API key. All right, so you can name the API key, and you will have to copy that API key because once you create the API key, you will not be able to see it again. All right, make sure that your API key is very safe and you do not share this API key with anybody else, because these API keys are really private. So I already have created an API key for my account, you can see, and once you have your own API key, you are good to go. All right, you can also go to the docs fact page and all of other things to know more about this platform, but I'm not going to go into the details of the platform right now. Instead, we are going to hop on to the coding part and start developing the application. All right, so we are going to use the Google Colab for this tutorial series, where you will not have to have on-premises system. You can directly go to the Google Colab and create your own code in the Colab notebook. All right, so just type Google Colab and click on the Google Colab link over here. You will be redirected to colab.research.google.com and create a new notebook over here. And in this notebook, you can rename it as Code Expert DeepSeek tutorial series. All right, and once you have your own name, you can just type print hello world. All right, and the output is here. So our notebook is working now, and so in this tutorial we have gone through the introduction and created our own Colab environment. In the next tutorial, we will download all of the dependencies and start working with the DeepSeek APIs to build our simple applications and RAG pipelines. So thanks very much for watching, guys. Let's meet in the next tutorial.